So today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Subaru Crosstrek key fob. So the first thing you're going to have to do is get the manual key out of the key fob. So how you do that is you see this little button right here, is you push down on it and that will release the key. Now this is the key you can get in your car if your battery's dead or you don't have the fob. I don't know situation you would take the key out, but so a lot of people, to get the battery out, will use a screwdriver or something small, but you can actually use the key fob key itself. So what you're trying to do is, you can kind of see the key fob is basically two pieces of plastic tied together. So what you're going to do is take this key fob key and stick it right about there, right here, to split the key. So once you stick it in there, you're going to twist and it's going to pop open. So there's the good old battery. So you're going to replace it with a 2032 battery. This one was by Maxwell. I got an Energizer one. Make sure that this spring kind of stays in there. It's what you push down at first. So when trying to get the battery out, there's like 4 little grab points. You're probably going to need something a little sharp, or like a little mini screwdriver, to kind of pop these two out. And then all you have to do is replace with your brand new battery. So I recommend sliding it in so the back two are underneath, and then it'll clip in. And everything snaps back together. Don't forget to slide your key back in. And then you're good to go.